Got some leftover grilled chicken. So we're going to make some grilled chicken sandwiches. I hate microwave chicken, so I'm putting it on the stove. And then that is chipotle cheddar cheese. So freaking good. If you guys haven't tried chipotle cheddar cheese, you need to, because it is fire. I still don't have a tapa, so yes, I'm using aluminum. Just going to toast up my buns, not my cheap ass buns. Okay, I wish I bought like more durable buns. You know, once I put everything on it, and you took a bite, it was like just not it. You know how buns get all soggy and shit? Yep, that's what happened to mine. But it's okay. This still slapped. Put some bacon on the top, some aguacate, secret sauce. I ain't telling you, just kidding. It's Thousand Island. And that was it. And then I tried to make a charcuterie board with the fucking chicken sandwiches. No, lunch was fire though. It was good.